Welcome back. Well, rainy scenario over the next 48 hours or so. Things will be toning down, we think, by Saturday. But check out our plot here. Let's bring this up full screen because it really shows us what we're expecting and what we've been talking about over the last couple of days. Actually dialed into the bulk of the rains, with most of them coming overnight tonight as we look at our timeline here. And each individual line for each individual town we have plotted up. And you can see our rain chances highest through the wee morning hours through tomorrow morning, and then we kind of level off into the scattered range as we head into tomorrow afternoon. But as we head into tomorrow evening, rain chances ramping up and staying up through Saturday morning, and then things begin to tone down. The last folks to tone down, the white line right here, that'd be Morgan City. Your rain chances will still be quite high as we hit daybreak Saturday. So let's look at the big picture. We have an upper level system in the west, surface low pressure developing over by Oklahoma, and lots of chilly air moving over the mountains. And with that moisture and instability with the upper low, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings to the west. Meanwhile, it's all green in liquid form across our area, and perhaps some strong thunderstorms in the mix as well. As we look at the regional Doppler radars, it's mostly moderate rains across the region, but as we get towards southeast Texas, these are pretty strong storms as you get over towards, say, the Lake Arthur area. Let's zoom in on this area by the Stowell area between Beaumont and then over toward the Baytown area. These storms, let's check them out. They're probably producing more than likely some rotation, maybe some hail as well, or very big raindrops. So we'll be watching for that because this energy pardon me, will be moving our way as we head through the evening and overnight hours, especially after midnight tonight. So pardon me, that's what we'll be dealing with. And I've been dealing with the postnasal drip since October. So my goodness, hopefully some of you like me are suffering, but hopefully we're getting over this time of the year. As we see the rain across the area, plenty of rain out there. It's coming down heavier in some spots, other areas not so much. It's lightening up a little bit in Lafayette, but we do have some hefty downpours showing up as we get into coastal Vermilion Parish by Intracoastal City, heading off to the east as well. So it looks like we see the rains dropping off just a little bit for a brief moment, and then more storms later tonight. And there is still a severe weather threat as we head into the overnight hours. Per the Storm Prediction Center, southeast Texas through the Highway 190 corridor southward, still hatched in for a slight risk of severe storms. That's a level 2 out of 5. Damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado. I think we see storms with rotation, but it's going to be difficult to get that rotation all the way down to the ground to produce damaging winds or a tornado. So something that we'll be watching on the radar overnight tonight. And then tomorrow as we start the day, marginal risk for the southeastern parishes, but that main impulse will be weakening as it pushes off to the east. So in the near term, another round of storms developing. Here's the latest HRRB model showing as we get closer to midnight, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, rain and storms across the region. Then a little bit of a respite except for the southeastern parishes in the morning, and then during the day we'll see scattered activity. Notice this area is trying to move back to the north through tomorrow afternoon, and then Friday night football may start out on the drier side. The fields will be wet, but more rain and storms on the way tomorrow night. That'll deliver maybe another inch or 2 of rain on top of the inch or 2 or inch or 3 we're going to see overnight tonight in some spots. And as we get deeper to Saturday afternoon, can't rule out a few showers, with rain chances definitely going down by Sunday. As for that the severe weather parameter, we look at helicity or the tornado spin potential. We see it very low in the slight risk category, mainly across the coast, but the model is suggesting maybe a few spin ups 2, 3 o'clock in the morning and around there. We'll watch that, but again, it's going to be difficult to produce severe weather unless our dew points get in the lower 70s. And right now we don't even have that southerly wind feeding in that warm, moist air, but that will be kicking in later on tonight. We still have a wind advisory, but we haven't seen the winds. You're seeing them though along the coast. Also a slight risk of excessive rainfall, level 2 out of 4 for the possibility of too much rain. So we'll see what we get tonight. We have no flood watches going right now. We're not anticipating any at this point, and hopefully the storms move along and we don't have many issues. So the model going 1 to 2 inches, isolate a little bit more. This is through noon tomorrow, and then we add the rains again tomorrow afternoon or evening into the overnight hours. Most of us wind up with about 2 to 4 inches of rain. rain, some spots a little less, some spots may be pushing 5 inches, and the graph model does much the same, with generally 2 to 4 for most of us, and a few hot spots that are going to be more than that. So that's where we could see some at least localized street flooding, and we'll watch for that very closely. So overnight tonight, windy with showers and storms likely, a few strong storms possible, but not likely. 1 to 3 inches in the mix. Some fog also for the western parishes where there's a dense fog advisory, and again, those rains getting heavier as we go deeper into the night, and that's how we start off the day tomorrow. Those showers begin to diminish as we head into the afternoon hours, so rain chances arguably could be 80 or 90% in the morning, but 40% during the afternoon, so we'll split the difference at 60% for tomorrow. 90% again tomorrow night, 60% as we head into Saturday, 2 to 4 mainly tonight and tomorrow night. Front comes on through by Sunday, lingering clouds, secondary front on Tuesday. That opens up the door for sunshine to return for a few days, a nice chilly nights ahead, and then the next weather system should arrive probably Sunday, maybe Monday of the following week, but all in all, some nice weather ahead after some gloomy days over the next 48 to 72 hours. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.